Welcome back to Coin World Explorer, where ordinary coins turn into extraordinary treasures. Today, we're exploring the 1971 Rupee coin of India, a coin that looks simple but hides history, rarity, and serious collector value. So stay till the end because I'll tell you why this coin is valuable, how to identify it, and what condition can make it worth up to $41. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more hidden coin values. Let's travel back to 1970 India. This coin was issued during the time of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, a powerful era in Indian history. India was modernizing, and its coinage reflected simplicity, strength, and national identity. The 1 rupee coin was not just money. It represented unity, progress, and everyday life for millions of people. Because this coin circulated heavily, finding one today in excellent condition is rare, which is exactly what collectors look for. Now let's break down the technical details of the 1971 rupee coin. Obverse front side. The lion capital of Ashoka, India's national emblem. The words Bharat, Bharat, and India. Symbol of power, pride, and sovereignty. Reverse backside. Large numeral 1. The word rupee. Date 1970. Decorative grains around the design. Metal and size. Material, copper nickel. Weight, 6 grams. Diameter, approximate, 26 millimeters. Shape, round. This combination makes it durable, but also difficult to find today in mint condition. Here's the big question. Why would a 1 rupee coin be worth up to $41? The value depends on 4 major factors. Keycap 1 condition. Circulated, $1 to $5. Fine/very fine, $8 to $15. Uncirculated/mint state, $25 to $41 plus. Coins with sharp details, original shine, and no scratches are the most valuable. Keycap 2 collector demand. Indian coins from the 1970s are popular in U.S. and international markets. Strong demand from diaspora collectors. Keycap 3 survival rate. Millions were minted, but very few survived in top condition. Keycap 4 error or die variations. Off-center strikes. Weak lettering. Die cracks. These can increase value even more. Important note, prices vary based on market demand and professional grading. If you own this coin, here's how to check its value. Use a magnifying glass. Check for clear lettering and sharp edges. Look for mint luster. Weigh the coin. Should be close to 6 grams. Avoid cleaning. Cleaning lowers value. For high-value coins, consider professional grading from services like PCGS or NGC. You can sell valuable coins at online auction platforms, coin collector forums, local coin shops, international coin shows. Always compare prices and never rush into selling. So the next time you see an old 1970 Indian 1 rupee coin, don't ignore it might be worth up to $41 or even more. Coins are not just money. They're time machines carrying history in your hands. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Have you ever found a valuable coin? This is Coin World Explorer, and I'll see you in the next treasure hunt.